So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday 10th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come up towards this 1073 in counter resistance, did see its sell side momentum pull back from this 1073. We didn't quite get down towards the 1020 or even the 400 period moving average. We in fact came down towards that 1040, built a bit of a base, found support, broke back above the 200 period moving average and also 1073 and also above the 111. We've had a pullback, didn't quite have a true test of the 111, from which we have had the prices head further to the upside. So from where we are at present, we're looking to see our prices direct around 1140 and pretty much our highs on the daily chart from a couple of weeks ago. If we do successfully break the 1140, we're looking for a move towards that 1160 previous identified level. We've encountered resistance several months ago, and if we do break beyond the 1160, we are then looking for price head up towards that 1215 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If however we do break down from where we are at present or at that 1140 or 1160, we're then looking for price head down towards that 111, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 1073. And if we're not able to find support at 1073, the very next level of note is in around at 1020 now. In around 1073, depending on how long prices do take to get down there, we might have the 200 period pretty close by. Would act as a further confluence, therefore increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that 1073, this 200 period moving average. But if we were to successfully navigate, the very next horizontal level of note is a move down towards that 1020, unless we do have quite a bit of volatility today or tomorrow in the coming days. If we do see a breakdown, the very far end of the range I'd expect to be in around that 109.50 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So we get the scale on here correct, and as we can see here, so we have the 1140, from which we did have a sell side momentum heading all the way down towards 108.13. So we've more recently we can see that the market has been quite bullish. So we have our lows, higher lows still, had another pullback, posted another higher low. We've now had a break of that 400 period moving average, which acted as resistance, which we weren't able to close above. We'll see whether we can close above the 400 period moving average from a daily chart perspective today. But we've had a break of the previous highs, so we do have that strong price action here. We have had a series of higher lows, and prices seem poised for a possible test of that 111.60 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. The very next level of note from a daily chart perspective beyond the levels previously identified, we do have our highs over here to your left, sitting in around that 113.30. It's quite a bit away, all the way up there in around that 113.30. But first we have to navigate the 1160, 1252, which proved problematic in the past before it started to look for a move towards that 113.30 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.